and today the topic of discussion is in singly circular linked list. We'll study how to delete a node which is at the beginning. That is the first node of singly circular linked list. Prior to this, what we have already did is that we have understand create coding. That is how to create a singly circular linked list, and in that we have studied menu. Then we have seen the print, that is how to print element of singly circular linked list. Then we have seen insert, and insert we have seen all that: insert beginning, insert middle, and insert end coding. So we have understood all these three codings of insert, and now our topic is that we have to delete a node from the beginning. That is, a linked list is given and you have to delete a first node. Let's start with the menu of the linked list. Here you have a menu. In menu you have actually many parts, because whenever you talk of linked list you have plenty of options to do. So that in main function you have in main function there is a while loop. You have created a variable ch, there is a while loop, that means condition is always true. While one means condition always true, condition always true, the condition is always true. So, and you have different option, that is when you press 1 you will get create, 2 print, 3 insert, 4 delete, 5 exit, and somebody is asking you enter your choice. Now your job is for delete, you will press 4. So the moment you press 4, ch will have 4, switch will have 4, you will jump to case 4, and in case 4 you are calling a function called del. Fine, so you're calling a function. Now when you come to del function, again in del you have different options. Like when you go to a restaurant and ask for a chicken, you have different options. You have different options that you want a fried chicken, you want a baked chicken, you want roasted chicken, you want gravy chicken, whatever you want. So these are different options. Similarly in deletion you have different options, that you can delete a node from beginning, you have to press 1. For while you press 2 you will delete a node from the middle, you press 3 you delete the node from the end. What is your choice? So if you have pressed 1, because now your job is for beginning, you will press 1, switch will have 1, it will jump to case 1, and case 1 is having again a function where you are calling del delete, that is dbig, that is delete beginning. And suppose your linked list is something like this, where first node is a node having address 100 and value 5, and tail is the last node having address 500 and value 9. Fine. So now your job is to delete this first node. So when you delete this first node, what will happen? What will happen? This head will become this head, because if this is going, then the second node will become head. The tail will not have now 100, because 100 is 100, node 100 is going, it will keep address of 200. So this pointer will come from this place to this place. Fine. So this is the two changes which will take place. So let's start with the coding, so you will understand the code first. So a very small coding, and let me tell you one thing very clearly. When you are deleting, you need not require any malloc function, because you are not creating a linked list, you are not creating a node, you are just deleting a node. Fine. So what will happen? So you have created a pointer called temp of type node1. And what is node1? I've already explained you many times that while creating a linked list, you have created a structure called node having two part, one data and one address. This is pointer, and pointer address is of struct type because it's a self-referential structure, and you have created a variable node1, and then you have type defined it. Type defined means now this entire structure is represented by node1. If you will not use type def and you will use only this structure, then instead of node1 you have to write struct node. So this is for simplification. So node1, you have created a pointer temp, you have created a pointer temp of type node1, and you have initialized that temp with head. So what is actually taking place is what? You have a linked list, I have already shown you, and what happened that you have initialized this temp with head. What is there in head? 100. So temp will also come to this point. Now the moment you delete this node, what will happen? Head will move from this place to this place. Fine. Okay. So head will go, head will have head next. What is head next? 200. So head will move from this place to this place. Fine. So this is what I'm trying to explain you with the figure. So head will move from this place to this place. Now tail next. Tail next will have head. What is there is head? 200. So this will have 200. So this pointer will move from here to here. That is, this connectivity will get broken. Now in screen what you will see that deleted element deleted is %d, and in %d you will print temp data. What is temp? This node. And what is temp data? 4. So in screen you will see element deleted is 4, and you will feel very good. Yes, because 4th is the first node and you have deleted that. And finally what you will use? You will use free function. Free is a dynamic memory allocation function which destroys the memory. So free temp will what happen? Free will destroy this memory. So finally this memory will get destroyed and you will get the figure as this 4 get destroyed and you have 5, 6, 7 and 8 are finally left node. Fine. And this tail is now pointing to 200. Fine. So this is all about deleting a node at the beginning of singly linked list.